Stop, Dad, what are you doing? Here, use this. Yeah, much better, right? For all of your pruning needs, let me introduce you the TERRADISE electric pruner. Straight out of the box, you have the instruction manual. It's very detailed, so reference that. And it looks like we have a 2000 milliamps rechargeable battery pack. Okay, you have oil bottles, Allen wrench, and a filing bar, I think. And here is the charge unit. All right. And let's take a look at the pruner itself. Ooh, okay, I definitely appreciate this cable, especially when you're not using it. You can store it away. I'm going to remove this cover. Oh wow, that is nice and sharp right there. Look how shiny and brand new it looks. This looks very nice, guys. This features a brushless motor, so we're making it more quiet and more dependable. Okay, even has, you can grab a hold of this. This must be the trigger. This has a very solid feel to it. See its rubberized handle right here? That's a solid construction, guys. Let's go ahead and charge up the battery. Can't wait to put this to work. We have some trees that needs pruning. So what you're looking at is SK5 carbon steel. You have these tools that you can use to loosen or tighten it. If you ever decided to work on the unit. And with the whetstone, you can always sharpen the blades if it ever becomes dull with use. The battery's fully charged. Go ahead and slide it in. Make sure you line it up properly. You know, it should go in pretty much smoothly, like so. Yeah. Let's go and line up the battery pack like this. Okay. So it takes about 60 minutes to charge. With a full charge, you can use it for about 2,000 cuts. The battery's fully charged. Go ahead and slide it in. Make sure you line it up properly. You know, it should go in pretty much smoothly, like so. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to test it out first. Turn on the power switch. It beeped. So there are 3 settings. The first setting is to cut branches. That's 0.6 inches or 15 millimeters. The second one is 1 inch, 25 millimeters. And lastly is the 1.2 inch, 30 millimeters. So it looks like the blade's already opened state. Let me test it out by holding it down until it automatically closes. See? That's how you would cut a branch. Hold down trigger, release it when it's done cutting. Now if this is idle for 10 minutes, it automatically shuts off. Alright, let's say when you're done using it and you want to turn it off, but before you do that, it's preferred that you hold it down until it beeps and automatically closes. Then you can power it off. Okay, and then you can put the cover back on. Like that. And when you're ready to use it, simply power on. 2 taps to release it. Alright, I'm ready to prune these shrubs. Going out with 1 setting, which cuts 0.6 inches right there. Let's go see if it cuts it with ease. Piece of cake. Now I'm on the number 2 setting, which can cut up to 1 inches, 25 millimeters. That looks like something that's over 1 inch right here. So here we go. Piece of cake. And lastly, I'm going to attempt to trim something or prune something that's going to be extra thick. We're going to look for a branch that's 1.2 inches. I think one of these will do. Oh yeah, that looks like 1.2 inches right there. Alright, wish me luck. Look at how clean that cut is. Whoo-wee. And lastly, let's test it out by just cutting some branches. These are not just regular brushes or shrubs. These are straight up tree branches from this walnut tree that has been downed. So let's go ahead, if I can use this similar to like using like a mini chainsaw. Piece of cake. So for the thicker branches, it might need a couple of tries, but it cuts super easy. So fun to use too. So as you can see, this electric pruner is so fun to use. It can cut even thicker than what it recommends. Super powerful pruner with the steel blades, and with its easy to use rechargeable battery, you can use it non-stop for up to 2,000 cuts, making this the ideal electric pruner. Now you can save your hands from using your traditional pruner, but keep in mind to put this away, store it, turn it off, protect it, because it can be dangerous if you have kids around or people who don't know how to use it, because if you think about it, see, it automatically cuts it. So make sure you keep this safe. So if you're looking for the ultimate electric pruner, definitely give the TERRADISE brand a look.